Abattoir. An abattoir is a place where animals are taken to be killed for meat. It's also called a slaughterhouse. The cows were sent to the abattoir. He works at an abattoir in the city. The truck delivered the animals to the abattoir, where they were processed for meat. Many people avoid eating meat after seeing how animals are treated inside an abattoir. Slaughterhouse, a place where animals are killed for food. Butchery, a place where meat is cut and prepared. Meat plant, a factory where meat is processed. Other similar words: processing plant, meat factory, killing floor. Farm, a place where animals are raised. Sanctuary, a safe place where animals are protected. Zoo, a place where animals live and are looked after, not harmed. Other opposite words: rescue center, animal shelter, pet farm.